Hi there, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we have a French toast custard recipe, perfect for your kids. Please prepare for them this recipe, they will love it. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go back, subscribe, and you will love it. Let's get right into it. So for this recipe, you will need 1 egg. So you'll break the egg in a bowl, then add about a 1/4 cup of yogurt. Please use plain yogurt, or you can use any flavored yogurt if you want some flavor on it. Then what you want to do is just mix it up with your intestines until it's all mixed up and well combined. Then you'll have a custard just like this. Then for extra flavor, if you didn't use flavored yogurt, you can use vanilla, which is a universal flavor. Then you will have to use French toast or bread or brioche or whatever you call bread in your native language. Then you want to butter the bread, then apply the yogurt custard on the bread. Make sure you use enough of it because this is where all the flavor will be. Then what you want to do after this is top this up with some lemon bits or some lemon zest, or if you have some orange, you can zest the orange and use the orange zest. This is basically for some extra flavor. Then you can top this up with your favorite fruit. We used raspberries here. You can use whichever fruit you prefer. Then you want to bake this on the oven at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. So the French toast will become crusty or will start turning brown on the sides. That's when you'll know they are ready. So our bread is ready. You can serve this and top it up with some honey just for an extra flavor or as a sweetener. And you can give this to your kids or have it yourself for breakfast or for brunch. So try this recipe out, and guys, please do not forget to tag us on our social media platforms and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.